Hello everyone, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my current favorite cleaning products and also some of my must-have cleaning products. This video is in collaboration with Lynette Yoder. I was so excited when she agreed to do a collaboration with me. I've been watching her videos for a few months now. She has some awesome content over on her channel. She makes similar videos to mine, cleaning, organization, lifestyle videos. She also has two little boys just like me, and she's a very sweet person, so definitely go and check out her channel. Down in the description box I will link her channel and also her video. She's doing the same video as me, so after you watch this video, go over and check out her video. If you go over to her video from my channel, let her know down in the comments of her video that you're coming over from my channel. If you're coming over from Lynette Yoder's channel, then welcome to my channel. I make a lot of similar videos that she does: cleaning, organization, lifestyle. I also make some mommy videos. I've got two little boys, and I hope to make a ton more cleaning videos in 2018. So please subscribe if that's something that you'd be interested in watching. So my first current favorite cleaning product is the Method laundry detergent. I'm going to show you a lot of products from the Grove Collaborative website because I recently signed up with the Grove Collaborative website, and if you haven't signed up with them yet, then you need to. So many awesome natural cleaning products to choose from and amazing scents. And I will put my link down in the description box, and if you use my link you can get $10 off your first order. So if you haven't signed up, go down and use that link and sign up because $10 off is pretty awesome. So I've been using this Method laundry detergent, and this is really affordable. I mean, this is only like a couple bucks for this big container of laundry detergent, and this is 66 loads of laundry. And you can see that this one is almost empty. I've been using this for quite a while, and this is the scent Ginger Mango, and this smelled really good. I love this product and I wanted to get the same one, but I wanted to try a new scent. People said that they liked the free and clear scent, so I decided to give this one a try. And if you don't want an overly strong smelling laundry detergent, then definitely try the free and clear because it's not a very strong scent. It's just a very clean, like low-key scent. Next, I'm going to talk about these three products. I always buy these three products as a bundle because it's usually cheaper that way. The multi-surface cleaner, the hand soap, and then the dish soap as well. They have so many different scents for these, and I'm still using up my seasonal scents from Christmas time and the holidays, and these are in the Iowa Pine scent. It smells like a fresh Christmas tree. They actually still have some of the seasonal scents available, I think. So if you still want to try them out, go and get them now before they don't have them anymore. The dish soap and hand soap is almost empty, and I just ordered some lavender dish soap and hand soap by Mrs. Meyer's. So I'm really excited to give that a try because people said in the reviews of these products that they really like the lavender scent. This Method glass and surface cleaner is amazing. This is one of my current favorites. You can see how much I've used of it already. I use this on mirrors and windows, and I also will use this on my bathroom sinks. It reminds me of spearmint gum. It's like a fresh mint scent. This is something that I'll definitely be reordering once the bottle is empty. I love this stuff. So I just got this countertop spray like a week and a half ago, and I am loving it. This is a new current favorite of mine. This is by Riya, and this is in the scent Sea Salt. It smells so good. I sprayed this on my countertops before I wipe them down, and then your kitchen just smells so good. It smells like this sea salt scent for a while afterwards. Grove Collaborative sells these glass spray bottles if you like to mix up your own cleaners, or you can buy, they sell like cleaning concentrates and you can mix them with water to make a toxin-free cleaner. And they've got this great silicone grippy on the bottom. My current favorite cleaning product from the Grove Collaborative is this awesome little like dish scrubby, and it comes with this cute ceramic container, and what you do is you put dish soap and water down in the ceramic container, and then you put this in here, and it's like springy, and so you just take your brush and you stick it in there and push it up and down on the spring to like make suds on your brush, and then you can scrub your dishes. And it also looks cute on your sink too, so that's a plus. All of these next cleaning products that I'm going to show you I get at Walmart. One of my must-have cleaning products that I always have to have in my house is Bona Hardwood floor cleaner. We've lived in this house for almost 5 years, and this is the only hardwood floor cleaner that I've used on our hardwood floors. We have hardwood in the laundry room, kitchen, entryway, and back the hallway. And one time I did try to switch to a new hardwood floor cleaner, and I hated it. I did not like it. It made my floors all sticky, so I switched right back to the Bona, and this is just what I always use. So if you have hardwood floors and you're looking for a good cleaner, definitely try the Bona Hardwood floor cleaner. And you can buy this at Walmart or Target. I've seen it at a lot of different stores. This next product is a must-have in my house as well, and every time I'm getting low on these, I just buy another bag. So this is always something that I'm buying. So I should always probably buy a bigger package of this. I'm not sure why I always get a small package. There's only 23 in here, but 23 will last you for a while because you only use one per load. These are Cascade Complete dishwasher pods, and these are so convenient and easy too because you just grab one, stick it in your dishwasher, and you're good to go. Another cleaning product that is a must-have in my house that I'm always buying is stainless steel scrubbing pads. These are by Scotch-Brite, and I always get these at Walmart. These are just so awesome for scrubbing stainless steel pans and getting them really shiny and clean. So I recently got a new stainless steel stove, and it has a glass cooktop, and so I did some research online to find the best glass cooktop cleaner, and everybody said that this was the best. It's Liman, I think that's how you pronounce it, W-E-I-M-A-N. And this stuff does work really good at removing burned on foods. It's a heavy duty cleaner and polish. And I don't use this every single day. I'll usually use it like every other day. I just pour some onto the stovetop, and then I'll take a rag and just scrub the stovetop, and it also makes it look really shiny too. This is something that I'll definitely be buying again after I use it all up. My last favorite is this awesome little handheld duster that I got from Walmart a while back. It's got these microfiber finger-like thingies on it, and it also comes off of the handle so that you can throw it into your washing machine, and then you can just pop it right back on. And I got this from Walmart, and I just saw these at Walmart yesterday, so they still have them there. If you want to get one, definitely go grab one. And that is all of my current favorite cleaning products. And my baby just woke up from his nap. I hear him back there crying, so I'm gonna have to end this video so that I can go get him. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed seeing all of my favorite cleaning products. And again, don't forget to go and check out Lynette Yoder's channel. I will link her channel down in the description box, and I will also link her video as well. She did the same video as me. She filmed her current favorite cleaning products. So definitely go check out her channel and go check out her video and let her know that you're coming over for my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Just wanted to be in the video, huh? Yeah.